We're going to
Korea. Gutom na. It looks so good. Thank you. Wala sense. Ang init guys. Diyan yung mga ano K-pop po. I'm so happy.
Hi.
Where are we going?
Korea.
Lululemon. Oo. Outfit check. Feel ko mag-a-add tayo pa uwi.
Oh, tatulog.
Pero pwede tayo makilagay ko naman kasi wala si Marshall.
Kanina po yung wala.
We ordered Shake Shack. It's yummy.
That's it.
Wow. Okay na yan. Cheesy pa more. Walang bacon. Ang liit eh. Oo nga, walang tissue. Hindi kang tissue ko, 2,000 mo.
Yummy yung burger.
Talaga? Anong tinanong sa'yo sa immigration?
Wala kasi nasa foreign tayo.
Akala foreigner ka.
Kala Chinese ako.
Ako tinanong lang if dito ba ako nakatira or sa Singapore. And tinanong din pala ako, mami, kung hindi naman po kayo nagtatrabaho sa government. Yun sabi sa akin. Kasi kapag government ata, kailangan ng permission to live ata or something.
Trabaho.
Tinanong din ko kasawa ko ba siya. Sabi ko, sino po yan? Keme.
To an emergency exit, read carefully the passenger brief.
We're in Korea. Annyeonghaseyo. Robo 1?
Ha?
But this one is nice also because my carpet and the CR is big. We'll ride a train to go to the immigration. It's a shuttle train.
안녕하세요.
Tigas naman. Free train. On. All set. Mami, milyonarya ka na dito.
Yeah, I have 200,000.
Oh, mataas,
Wow.
mataas yung ano nila.
Grabe.
Parang ano.
Ano sabi ng driver?
Currency nito.
Init. It's hot. It's not cold. Ang init guys. Diyan yung mga K-pop po. Pinipicturean. Diyan pinipicturean yung mga artista. Amoy dagat. It smells like sea. But I'm happy. Thank you, Lord. I'm in Korea. It's like para ka nasa beach, mahangin siya. Pero ang lagkit niya. Our private transfer is here. Thank you. This is the hotel. Homes Red Myeongdong. Oo nga no. Welcome. Parang Sogo ah. We're going to... Ang init dito sa Korea. Next time we're gonna come back ha. In a winter.
For me,
For niya ay ko yun.
Oh, from your things.
You bring all of them.
Ayun, self-check-in, self-check-out. English. Dito ka. Check-in.
Oh yeah, I saw this in the TikTok.
Wow, parang ako nasa Hala, kain tayo dito. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I wanna cry. Mga TikTok.
You need to pay first one.
Let's go to the room. Tapos yung isa. Hi everyone! We're currently in our hotel na dito sa Korea and we are staying in Homestead Myeongdong. So medyo kinabahan pa ako dito kasi mura lang talaga siya eh. Pero baka sale lang talaga kasi parang nag-renovate ata sila. So let's start our room tour. First, meron shoe rack dito. And like a typical Korean, kailangan 'di ba yung dirty shoes? Hanggang dito lang. And when you walk here, small lang siya pero mas malaki pa rin naman siya kumpara sa Japan. And this is the bed. Ang laki niya. My parents are also staying here kaya lang iba yung layout nila. So ito ang ganda din. Ayan, merong side table and the bed. And ang kakaiba dito ay eto guys, nagulat ako. Buksan natin. Charan! O, diba? Parang apartment hunting ang style natin. May free water. Eh, pwede ka mag-stock dito ng isang buwan na ano mo, supply mo. And nakakatawa kasi may freezer po. Oh, diba? Grabe. And then may cabinet here. Lapit ka naman, love. Buti na lang bumili tayo ng adapter. Universal adapter. And this is also a cabinet. May free sleepers. Suot ko na. And bathroom. And when you walk here, I think cabinet din to. Di naman siguro yan ref uli, no? Dito yung mga baggage natin. And there's a mini kainan dito, dining area. Like, so cozy! And may TV. Ang pangit ng pinapanood. Patayin mo na lang, nakakawala ng aesthetic. This is the bed. Ayoko humiga because galing tayo airport. Yarn! And when you walk naman dito, there's a mirror. And this is the toilet, the CR. Yan ang ating shower, hugasan, and toilet. O diba, okay na okay siya sa price natin. Kasi nakuha namin to for 27,000 pesos. 2 rooms na yun, guys. And dito ang ating window. Tada! I'm so happy. Thank you, Lord. And that's our room tour, guys. Good morning, guys. It's officially our day 1 in Korea. And I'm just wearing a sando dress. Kasi daw, mainit ata. Quick makeup lang tayo. Hindi na ako naligo because parang naligo ata kami ng mga 5 a.m. and it's currently 8 a.m. Because we're waiting for our friend, Clarice, and we're gonna shop till we drop. Oh, eh, yun naman drop. Uy, grabe mag-dry yung skin ko. Itinerary for today is the Noryangjin Market. I'm just wearing a Love Bonito dress for our first day in Korea. Let's go, guys! We're going to the ATM. We're done. I withdraw 10,000 pesos. That's 300,000 won. And then the fee is like 150 pesos.
May fee?
Oo, kayo.
Wala.
Ay, oo nga, no? This is our tea money. Hindi, dito. Yan.
냉난방 장치가 잠시 정지되오니 양해해 주시기 바랍니다.
We're here. Oh.
I know.
Oh, we're walking to the Noryangjin Seafood Market. Wala palang ano dito? Bubong? Yeah, we're gonna eat na. There, oh. Sa Seoul Station, you're gonna transfer to Line 1 and bababa ka dito sa Noryangjin Market. Tapos, ito na yun. Ayun yung abalone pala.
Ano mo?
Ito, 033.
Thank you. Restaurant.
May
I love seafood. So, okay lang. I invest in my own happiness. So, okay. This is the price. Hindi ko maintindihan. This is their biggest and oldest daw seafood market in Korea. And it's very accessible. Kasi like, nag-train ka lang and then when you turn left, dun na.
Yeah, from our place.
Hindi na kailangan mag-taxi-taxi. Gochujang.
It's not like the one in the Philippines, like a jam like that.
Oo nga. Ang sarap.
Parang puro.
Abalone yan.
Ganun talaga amoy niya. Grabe. Pinapanood ko lang to sa probinsya yung mga hinuhuli tapos lalagyan nila ng vinegar. Dapat di mo muna kinain.
Lasang tahong na mas masarap. We have our clam soup, grilled shrimp, ubos na ang appetizer. That's it! Sweet nga. It tastes like crab stick.
Pag sinama mo yung honey.
Pag hindi,
sarap. Pag hindi, normal ano lang,
ice cream.
ice cream.
Lasang salted caramel. Ano yan? We're in Hongdae shopping district. Puro shoes na. Are you gonna buy shoes? Medicube. Dun to. Ayun, ang cute mo.
Like ano, Thailand also have this. Sabi in Thailand.
Thailand, Taiwan also, sir.
Ang cute. Dumidikit yung pilik mata ko.
Ah.
They already refund the tax-free. That's like 5%. So, minus 2,001. Ito dito ata. Chicken and rice. Are you happy, ma'am? Mainit lang. Super init. Maybe next time, we'll come back ng malamig.
We're used to it naman eh.
Oo, sa bagay, di naman tayo ano. Switzerland.
Okay.
Seriously? It's not like the bingsu that we tasted in Cloverleaf. Never.
Nakito na.
Ang sarap. Oh my gosh.
Sarap.
This is so yummy, guys. We have a watermelon. Ay, sorry, melon. Stress na siya sa akin watermelon. And tiramisu, grabe. Super sarap ng tiramisu. And yung, grabe talaga yung yellow as in iba. May yogurt, may cheese, and may melon. Is it refreshing?
Yeah.
Laser fitness like
It's like for 60 pesos. I'll take one pastel pink, one lavender. Mami, ano? Wow. This is so cute. Ay, te, ano yan?
How much?
Grabe, ang traffic talaga, guys, sobra. Parang an hour or inikot lang kami nung Uber, I'm not sure. And we're gonna eat here sa Dobogi Chicken. Mga after mag-work, kakain ng beer and chicken.
This is the one that
Drink moderately.
in the store, Tera.
I bought two.
Oh my gosh. It looks so good. Grabe. Sarap. Sarap.
The review is American guy. He said,
This one is garlic. Grabe, sobrang sarap ng butter niya. Yung crispiness niya. Oh my gosh. Dito mo lang siya matatry, I swear. Day 2 in Korea, get dressed with me. Today guys, we're going to a hair salon. So, maulan din ang weather and hindi naman ganun kalamig. So, just gonna wear some casual. This top from Bershka that I got ng sale lang nila. So, nasa 600 pesos lang. Super cute. Very Korea coded. So, let's wear it. Done with my makeup as well. Good morning. Moji. Papa. Straightforward. Hi. iba yung init. We're in Myeongdong na. Wow! Ayun yung Olive Young. Yan ba yung Olive Young na ano malaki? Hindi daw kaya ni Clay init. Mas mainit pa nga dito kaysa sa Philippines.
Mas mainit ang hangin.
Kasi nga ano, napapaligiran ng dagat. Kaya malagkit.
Ito na pala.
Yeah. You have number 4, bacon. Bacon ka din, di ba, Jazz?
Sarap.
Sarap? Or kagaya na niluto mo? Sarap. Or you can make that.
Yung papa can make this.
Papa can make everything. We're going to Juno Hair. We just had Isaac toast for breakfast. Ganda. May ganyan. Hi guys.
very important. Don't ever follow your wife.
To the salon.
Not all indicator food.
Thank you. Annyeong. Ay, ang ganda. Oo.
Wow.
What can you say?
Ganda.
Bye, thank you. We're in Namdam Road. Huh? New haircut, sister? Paunik. Yes, that one. Ay, ito yung stream. Oo. Pero sa night siya mas maganda kasi. Jangin Dakgabi. I'm not sure. Let's try. Ambience. 12,000 per one. Nasa 500 per person. Let's see if it's worth it. Yeah, you can eat with the lettuce pala. The Dakgabi. Yummy. Ang lasa. Apritada.
Pero parang mabubusog agad lang.
Sarap, no?
Angang kasi.
We're in Songsu. Shibuya Cross. Ay, bakit ang kulay puti yung nyunyo dito? Pasok tayo, mami. Tignan natin. Ang cute! Nalagyan na 34 me. Oh, picture ka dyan. It's like a candy. It's a cosmetics also. Ano mamahalin? 감사합니다.
Shimmering Splending.
Bili tayo.
Mura lang. 7,000 lang yung
Huwag ka na magsisi. Laki yung pinagpupukpok niyo ng ano, ilaki.
Oo nga eh.
Gelatin.
Hindi mo pinukpok? Hindi mo sinlap?
Hindi maintindihan. Naman siguro yan, thank you. Oh, may nakalagay, may free yan.
Yay!
Ang cute. Ito sweater, oh. Make there. Bean paste. Soy sauce. This is their kitchen. Parang K-drama. Mami, picture kaya ni Papa. Oh.
Ganda. Gabi, parang nasa K-drama.
Ganda. Ayun ang picture niya. Ganda. Yo po sa'yo? Anyo nga sa'yo? Feeling winter in Korea. Grabe, suot ko, be.
Voice kayo.
Video mo, mag-acting-acting ako. De! Sincha! Biyane! Biyane ako! Apa! Sara ngayon! Winter or summer? You'll never guess. Because I'm wearing a long sleeves. This is their map. Yan yung mga Hanok Village. May cafe daw.
So far, what's happening?
Parang ano ah. Naka-timelapse dito ah.
Fastest search ever.
That's it.
Yeah. Ay!
This is the palace. Ganda. Sayang hindi kami makapag-handbook because super init. Maybe next winter. Let's see. There's a reason to come back. This place is huge. Grabe, ang ganda. I feel like in a traditional K-drama. Grabe. I love this. We are in the National Folk Museum of Korea. Our day 4 in Korea. Yung day 3 natin na full ang SD card ko. I have sa phone and I'll make a TikTok na lang. Doon sa napuntahan namin, yung sa Palace pala, meron siyang likod na parang museum. Pero feel ko may bayad talaga yun kasi pumasok talaga tayo sa exit eh. Diba? And then parang napunta kami sa parang village. Hindi siya village eh, parang mga old store, barbershop, picture shop, vintage shops pala siya. Ang Korea, yun talaga napapanood mo sa mga Reply 1988. Ito pala yung kainan na kinainan namin ng first night namin here. Masarap siya. Sabi nila, mas masarap daw nung tumagal. Mas na-appreciate daw nila. Our outfit for today, very ano kami today, Hongdae vibes.
Very local.
Another Olive Young run. Annyeonghaseyo.
Wow, may K-pop tayong kasama.
Nagre-rep ako ng skincare. Our hotel is nice. Although, medyo Gen Z talaga siya kasi self-check-in. And ito lang yung lobby area. But overall, it's nice. We booked this via Klook. And it's only 27,491.4 for 7 nights and 2 rooms. 13,700 per room. Tapos 7 days. So, lumalabas na 1,900. Matagal na namin to binook eh. So what we can advise is book your hotel in advance. Super worth it to. Kasi it's like 15 minutes walk to the Myeongdong. In sa right area, parang 5 minutes walk to Olive Young, to BHC, Sulbing. Kaya, thank you Lord. Ang ganda ng hotel. Mangwon Market. Ayan na, ayan na.
Kimchi. Oh, like, yeah, sides.
Sarap.
Ang laki pa, ang haba pala.
Ha?
Pa eh. Very hot.
Diba? Ang laman niya. We ordered chicken again.
There's a lot inside ko na.
Tatlo? Magkano yan?
Sarap naman.
Okay naman ah.
Hindi.
Not that impacting.
You try na.
Yun na pang gimmick ka pero nasa market ka. Ang hang! Nasa lupya ah.
Ano?
Slushy. Gusto ni Papa. Hero pa.
What is the rate pa?
Rate mo daw.
Good.
Over 10.
Thank you.
Lasang Myeongdong Kyoja inside.
I know it's a normal, but nicer. Yummy!
Sarap, di ba? Ano? Masasabi mo?
Not for me. We're carrying our own rubbish here because they don't have a rubbish bin here all around the
Oo
area.
nga, no? Kasi they have to segregate the ano eh.
Yeah.
I think that's all na. Bye-bye. This one, double?
No, double size.
This one? 안녕하세요. Oh my gosh, so cute.
And I want the gray. This one.
Uyo can lang uyo hindi ko na post.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
Upstairs.
Why you want to see here?
Yes.
Ano lang?
It's raining. Pogi naman this husband. Parang Koreanong hilaw.
Ano, you're getting me something? Oh, sige, check mo muna.
감사합니다.
Yes.
Tag-gusto ko nito.
Diba you know that?
Meron ka pa?
How big are they?
Oh, yun.
Sarap.
Sarap. I like this.
Diyan na din ata yung train eh. No daw, no. Oo. Fresh flush. Hindi. Ay, ito na yung logo eh. Sa kabila. Fresh. Look, we're gonna buy plushie toy for the two. Share na sila. Dito yung isa, dito yung isa.
Approve video, guys. Approve. Kailangan.
You can only take a video after you buy. But it's so cute. Hello, we're in Myeongdong.
Bro, your top 10 rate, your top 10.
Ito. Pa-picture ka pa. Ang cute.
Asan ba yung camera?
Hindi ko alam.
Asan yung camera?
Kasi I thought there's a queuing number, so I clicked that one at the side. And then I... Sabi ko, wait lang. Ito yung lumabas. Nakakatawa.
Pati ang care pala dito. But I'm very
Unlimited.
I'm very shy if there's waiting. If they are waiting, they will see what I'm doing.
Okay, kamsahamnida.
Ay, kala ko tigi-iba to try na tigi-iba.
Yung watermelon and
You need a chill
soju
song.
ready? You try?
Masarap yan ah.
Wait, then when you gonna put?
Hindi mo mayo 1:1. Hindi na lang. Kasi lang bilis eh.
Let's try the cheese balls.
Wala, nakakapukpok ko. Basag na agad. Bubuksan ko pala.
Game talaga to ng Korea. Korean game. Opening na. Ba't
Go
ganun?
away sa akin naka-glue.
1, 2, 3, go.
Secret! It's cover. Ay, triangle. Ang dali sa triangle.
Wala shapes.
Ano sa'yo? Secret sa'yo. Ang galing mo.
Cheater, nag-melt na.
Secret to. Tapos ito, triangle.
Secret, walang shape.
Panalo ko na. Accepted ka na.
Squid game.
Walang gusto ko lang maging triangle. Mga pang safari outfit mo.
Oo nga eh. Baka masakit eh.
Hindi ba?
Ano?
Amazing. Day 5.
Pwede ka dyan mag-picture. Maganda mag-picture dyan.
Pupunta tayo dyan. Oh. Bring the cable car to the Ramson.
오른쪽입니다. with the right side.
Right side na, we're here na.
Bilis.
Ganda.
Ay, ang laki nga. The world.
Are you okay?
Ito pala ABS Tower eh. Ganun pa.
Soul. JD Art Bell forever. Seoul, September 9. September 2. Babalik tayo dito, may baby na tayo ah.
September 2 ngayon? Ano yung September 10?
9. 10 ba?
Oh.
9. Kala ko 10. Kakamali pa ako.
Yes, my love.
Yes, my love.
Papa, yung video marahil yung side comment mo. Ito. Mundo Pixar. It's in the middle of the Gen Z. Gen Z, very young, very young. Mga picture mo kay Jill. So fun. Sobrang cute.
Wow, grabe.
So nice.
Ganda.
Yan yung bed ni, ano pangalan nun?
Andy. Toy ni Andy.
Element, okay?
Stand and take picture.
Habang ko nasa loob nila. May daga. Let's go.
Dali, saya ka.
Mami, kayo dalaw, dali. Oo. So nice.
Yeah.
It's something different that
Wala ka naman, Mike.
hindi mo magagawa sa ibang places. Nemo!
Nemo. It's water.
Wow!
Nice.
Diba?
Hindi kasi tingin lang yun.
Matcha, oh baby, try nga. Baby,
Try mo,
try,
matcha.
dali.
White clear.
Diyan ako lang, oh. Cooling.
Ito naman, 400 lang.
Gaw.
Isang araw ka lang sa Korea. Paano kung kinry mo yun sa Pinas?
True. Spray mo.
Hindi ko tulis na.
Ito mama.
Ito malalaman mo, tangerine siya. Ito, pear siya.
Maybe because somebody.
Okay, you can get a taxi from here.
Thank you. Ano ba yan? May construction. At least cute naman. It's high. San?
National bookstore lang to eh. Paano pag kailangan may nasa taas? Bumili ng tubig.
Dami. We are in top 10. It's like a Uniqlo in Korea. And ang ganda ng quality niya, in fairness. Grabe. Nakapambahay na lang ako dito. Napakainit. Bili mo na yan bro, ganda yan. Hindi kasha? Ah, para sa kapatid mo?
May kuya eh.
Sa leeg na lang daw. It's time for my Korea haul. These are all the things that I got in Seoul, Korea. Good morning. It's our last day in Korea and we're taking a bus to Card Kingdom for this guy's cards.
Lemon sauce. Hi, street food in the morning.
In the morning.
Lagyan mo pa, uubusin ko.
Ba't pare-pare sa lasa? Dami. Guys, we are in Hong's Octopus dito sa Hongdae. Bumalik kami ng Hongdae because may mga gustong tingnan si JD na anime. It's pork and octopus. JD's favorite. Octopus, di ba? Usually dito guys, kailangan tapos na yung food mo, na ulam mo, bago nila lalagay yung rice. Kami, na-request na namin na pwede na bang lutuin yung rice. Para ulam, di ba? Ang sarap ng kinain natin, no? Nasa 1.6 din. Per person yung payment. I mean, per person yung meal. Ayan, no, tinan mo yung puno nila. Ang ganda ng kulay. Nagpunta kasi kami ng summer. Napakainit. So talagang parang hulas ka na habang naglalaad. Hindi ako masyado, personally, nakapag-picture. Pero di din kami nakapag-Nami Island. But babalik na lang tayo dito ng winter or autumn. Yan, yung malalamig. Saka maganda. Pero maganda pa din naman yung Korea talaga. Sobrang linis, aesthetic.
Puan to. Ay nyo hagdan kasi. Taga dito ba sa Hazel?
Hindi ko nga alam, nakita ko to sa vlog niya eh. We're back from the anime errands. And now, it's time to pack. Oh my gosh.
Di kasha to.
So, garbage.
Okay, nag-order ka guys na.
Yes. Let's try. Sarap.
Sarap.
This show is until September 7 lang. Every 8 to 10 p.m. Let's see, what are we going to see? This is just 50 minutes away from Myeongdong. Uy, mata yan. Ganda. Grabe naman tong ano na to. Building na to. Nakaganda. It's a very nice place. I think it's a museum, design lab, parang more on arts and culture. But it's a very nice infrastructure. Ang ganda ng building.
Ano to? Korean crossing.
Last night in Korea. Thank you, Lord.
Come back in October.
On winter. Oh, Mami, next month na yun.
I know. Bakit sinabi ko bang 2025, 2026, 2027?
Ganda December. Last Solving for this trip. Thank you, parents.
Thanks to you too.
Love you so much. Mas mahal pa nga yung ticket yung pagkaling Singapore. Yummy, let's eat. Thank you, Lord. Okay, cheers. Korea 2025. 2025 na ba? Nasa Milo. No, nasa Milo. We're going home.
Parang ang dami na sa aeroplano ngayon na.